homeschooled all the way through high school. I took classes at Sullivan my senior year for dual credit. So I graduated high school, and a year later I graduated with my associate's degree in information technology from Sullivan. And I'm still at Sullivan working on my bachelor's degree in information technology with a concentration in mobile app development. The way the computer science degrees are done at Sullivan, in your associate's degree, you dabble in a little bit of everything. You do a little bit of networking, a little bit of database, a little bit of web design, a little bit of programming, and a little bit of help desk. That way in your bachelor's degree you can really hone in on your skills and what you want to learn after you get a good foundation of what IT is in general. So in my bachelor's degree I've decided to hone in on the skills of web development and on mobile app development and get really good at those. I use what I've learned at school every day. Sullivan taught me 9 different programming languages, and the majority of them I use on a day-to-day basis in my job. If I didn't have my background, I would have no idea what I was doing. At UPS, I'm the senior web developer for the aircraft maintenance and engineering department. I'm in charge of the aircraft maintenance website, so all the people in the aircraft maintenance district, all their information that they need, all the apps that they use are on the website that I'm in charge of, so I host all of that. The aircraft maintenance website that I'm in charge of is an internal website, and it's used by only the people in the aircraft maintenance district, all the managers and supervisors and VPs. I'll get email requests from people who need maintenance done on the website, adding people to distribution lists, updating a few things, and then I also have a big project log that I work on and that I continually work on. I'll have projects that I need to work on for web applications that need to be built, SharePoint applications that need to be built, or BI reports that need to be built. Well, a web developer builds any of the web pages that you see. Any web page that you go to, a web developer had to create that. Every single link that you click on that goes to a new page, a web developer had to create that. It doesn't just appear. It has to be hard-coded. So it can be pretty tedious, but it's really cool when you get it done. For web development, I use a lot of different programming languages. And the thing about programming languages is once you learn one, it's easy to learn other ones because it's a logic that you have to get down. The code is just the syntax. For the website that I maintain, I use ColdFusion, HTML, CSS. I use a little bit of JavaScript, a little bit of jQuery, a little bit of SQL. A lot of different languages all put together to make a really cool website that does a lot of really helpful things. The great thing about my job is it's different every day. Once you start and you really get into it, you learn what you can do with it. And there's a lot of things that I'm learning to do with code that I never thought that I'd be able to do. And it's really awesome to work really hard typing something up and you're just staring at a bunch of words that look like rubbish and to hit go, and all of a sudden you've created this masterpiece that does all this really cool stuff, and you can say, I created that. I think having your degree gives you a boost in the job market. So not only is it proving that you can do something in the field, it's proving that you can work hard and you can work towards your goals and get something that you want to work for. I think having a degree is very important because it's your paper saying, I've proved that I can do this and I know what I'm doing. If you ask me to do something, I can do it for you.